So here we go. And it's hello from me, and it's hello from
hello.
Right. So G is back again. So here we go. Okay. So let me just get this together. So welcome back to the spiritual journey, 14th week. Yes, 14th week of the third year. Yes. I'm not sure that that's picking me up properly. Perhaps not. Okay. Now, today's date is the 8th of February, 2022. My name is David Stanley, and I manage the course entitled The Spiritual Journey within the school founded in 2019 called the Universal Comprehension Academy. It's the second semester of the third year with Keith. So, hi Keith, have you had a good week?
Mixed, I would say.
Mixed.
Yeah, some good points and some frustrating. But I think we're on top now.
Oh, good.
I find that's what happens in some situations. You think, oh, how will they ever do this? But you have to worry away at it. And usually, not always, the solution comes up. Probably some help from someone else, just had today, or a suggestion.
That's good news. How about the Scrabble group?
Well, the man I played, who is setting up the group, is very new. He's also very ill. He has a complex heart condition.
Yes, he did.
And he's a grandmaster at Scrabble. No doubt about it.
Did you beat him?
No, nowhere near. He can make 12-letter words just like that.
Well, I remember when I was in Japan, I was teaching, and I had this student, and he was about, I don't know, 13 or 14 years old. And one of the lessons I was giving him was on Scrabble. And so we got the Scrabble board together, and we set it up, and I thought, well, this will be easy, you know. I'm the teacher, and you're a 14-year-old child. And, you know, I really, really struggled to get a positive result. Yeah, he was really, really, really good. Yeah, so
well, good for him.
And I'm a pretty good player. Yeah. So.
No, I'm not. I'll have to go.
Right. Okay.
I've not played for years.
Yes.
We'll see.
I didn't let him win. Yeah. So, but it was a tough game. Yes. Okay. So back to me. How about the swimming? Did you find out more about that?
A little, because I was on the bus with somebody, Rose. My guess must be well into her 80s. All we have walked following a fall. She's still got a car, but she goes swimming every week at the Mount Bath.
Yeah.
She's going to get me some details, because I need someone to train me or teach me. Whatever. Really is just blocking about.
Well, basically what you need is a pair of trunks, yes, and some water wings, and you'll be okay.
A pair of trunks and a flotation vest.
Yeah, okay, that'll work just as well.
That's all it is.
Yeah, but the water wings, No? Okay. You prefer the vest?
I think so. I've not tried one, but I think they're good.
Okay. So now I'm very glad you started that. That's now let me just have a quick look. Now, do you remember this diagram?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so let me just show it once again to the camera. Here we go. Ooh, there we go. Now, this is the cosmic triangle. Yes. Now, here you have the negative vector at the bottom. Yes, the neutral vector on this side, and the positive vector on the right side.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's a drawing of what?
And inside of this, we've put the whole universe, right from moons to the creator. Yeah, the creator is at the top. Yeah. But you can easily put the creator at the bottom. Yes, you just go like that. Okay. Right. So, as we look at this diagram, we can pause. Yes, we can pause to consider the cosmic triangle and the three minds that are used in the triangle. Yes, the negative mind, the neutral mind, and the positive mind.
Yeah.
Yes. So first of all, we'll only have a brief look at this today. The negative vector. This would be the negative mind. Yes, which is part of the mind system, if you like.
I'm not quite with you. What do you mean mind system? I mean a universal mind?
Do you remember I said to you that you have an alimentary system for digestion?
Yeah.
And the mind is similar to that.
Oh.
Yes, it's a digestive system. Yes, but it's mental. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It's a reflection of the digestive system. Yes, that's a philosophical way to look at it, if you like. Okay, and in the same way, we can put it into three parts. And the first part is negative mind, and that is absorption. Yes.
What do you mean it's absorption?
Absorption. Well, like you have to go for the first stage of digest is absorption.
Absorb, right.
Yes, and the same for the mind. If you want to study something, first of all you have to absorb the facts.
Right, yeah.
Yes, that's the first part. Yes, so it's negative because it absorbs information through the five senses. Yes. This mind records the facts and starts to build the structures we need to survive in creation. We need this mind if we are to form an opinion. Yes. Now we'll look at the other two minds in the coming weeks. Now, last week.
So is there anything external to the mind? Spiritual influences?
Yes, well, there's the whole of creation.
Yes.
The whole of creation has influence upon your mind. Because you have the negative mind, which is absorbing all the time.
And if I was a spiritualist, I'd say that we can communicate with the minds of those who've gone before. They're still alive. And they can speak to us through a medium.
Well,
I don't believe it, but that's what they say.
Well, we've talked about reincarnation, yes, and there are lots of scientific studies being done on this. So it's something to consider that there is life after death.
Yeah.
Possible, yes. Perhaps not for everybody, but for
only the chosen people.
Well, for those that have the ability to continue, yes.
Right.
And it comes down to what you have done in your life if you have the ability. Yes.
Karma. No.
Well, there's karma. That's all philosophic. Yes. Now, so like I say, last week you wondered about global warming. I find it interesting that those who have paid attention to what NASA and other organizations have been saying over the past 60 years see things in a different light. For example, the blue marble image of 1978 in contrast to the blue marble image of 2017. The only difference between these two images of the planet, they say was taken from space. Yes.
Yeah.
The only difference is the color has been changed.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the cause for that, the color change is global warming. But the clouds in the 2017 image are exactly the same as 39 years before.
Right.
Yeah. Conclusion: they use the same image.
Oh, that is quite possible, I can see.
Yes, with a different color tint, and blamed it on global warming when clearly it is a deception in color contrast. Yes. Now, well, we've had a look at the video, and I'll leave a link to that.
If they're deceivers, they don't do a very good job.
Well, pardon?
If they're deceiving, they don't do a very good job.
Well, they have a reason for everything they do.
Well, of course, like we do.
Yes, their reason is to show you that they're lying. Hang on, that is just one way to look at it.
Rubbish.
Okay, that's just one way to look at it.
All right.
Okay. And like I say, you absorb the facts and you form your opinion from absorbing these facts.
And perhaps the wisdom of some others.
Okay.
Of knowledge. A great deal of what we know comes to others, and we may study ourselves. Make ourselves knowledgeable.
Okay, so to continue, yes, to continue. Last week, the 3rd of February, 2022, we looked at the first 19 minutes of a video and learned some interesting facts about the sun in the church. Yes.
Yeah.
A book and the Meridiana. So today we'll continue with that video, and we'll just go on to the next passage and have a look where that is. So we're going to take a pause there. All right, so let me just pause. Resume. Okay, Keith, so we had a look at that video, all about the sun, the way the sun moves, yes?
Yeah.
The obliquity, yes? Did you find that interesting?
No, I didn't understand what he was saying. It's a complex language and quite a different. He didn't mention the flat earth. Well, he did at the end.
Yes. They were looking at the two different systems. Yes. The heliocentric model and the flat earth model, and seeing which one makes sense. Yes. So that is the lesson for today.
Good.
It's just having a look at the video, and we'll go from there. Huh?
What is on the video?
What is on the video? Yes, that's what we were looking at. The obliquity of the sun.
Obliquity.
Yes. Like I said, I've been studying that for the past, well, you could say for 2 years.
Yeah.
Yes. Been tracing the way the sun moves, and so it's not so difficult for me to understand it because I've done the observation and made the videos. Yes, and I can see the sense of it. Yes, and I can see how that fits in the model quite easily. Okay, well, we'll finish there for today. And so for me, it's goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, hopefully see everyone next week. Same time, same place. Yes. For the last moments of Aquarius. Yeah. Bye.